it's a handful of ponds. If he's in the area, he's got to be in one of these ponds. That is a upside down car, 1,000%.
Oh yeah, look at that.
1,000,000% an upside down car.
But it might be an SUV, which is what we're looking for. I think we should definitely call and report this.
Madison County Central Dispatch.
Hello, I'm wondering if you could send a police officer over to my location. This wasn't the car we're looking for, but we wanted to make sure you guys knew about it.
We're gonna move everybody behind the crime scene tape on this side. We're gonna go to that side behind the tape.
There's the tires. Here, get a little closer. Oh, there goes the car. And